this boat's coming towards us.
Oh wait, where? I'm all done. I feel like a new woman. Got the AC going for that nice windblown look. But yeah, I miss Lisa. I'm so glad I was able to get to her. As you guys saw, I got some clips and I showed you products that she used. She's really good. I miss her cocktailing. She's really good at cocktailing products together to just kind of do double duty with your hair. My hair needed it. I'll have those products linked below so you guys can check them out, but they work so well, as you guys can see. She did a nice little dusting. I've been dusting my hair while I was home, but Lisa, she, you know, finished it up, made it look nice and neat, because Lord knows I needed it. So she did a little something with my end. I am like, what, 7 months post? 8 months. I think I'm like 8 or 9 months post relaxer. We'll definitely do a relaxer update soon with like how we've been taking care of our hair and everything with this pandemic and being stuck in the house. But yeah, I know you guys have been asking what salon she's working out of. Currently she's not. She has a number that you can reach her if you want to get in contact with her, and some of you already have gotten in contact with her, so we'll have all that linked below, products linked below, her contact email and phone number linked below, so you can get up with her. She's still working her magic no matter where she is. So yeah, we are out here at a lake where we're not going to go swimming. We're actually just going to go pedal boating. I know you guys have done that before, but it's just something to get some exercise and to get out of the house and just and still be able to be away from people, not around. Just in case though, because it seems like there's a lot of families out here. So we bought our masks. Yeah, our masks. Yeah, these are really good masks. Our friend made this. She has an Etsy shop, and honestly, I feel like the best masks come from the homemade ones because like you get the heavy duty fabric. These are really thick. The fabric is thick, so nothing's getting out. It's not going through this. Right. Her name is Emily, and she makes on Etsy. I'll have her shop linked below. But she makes these. She has like an adjuster on here, so if it's too big, you just tighten it, and it tightens around your face, which is genius, instead of like trying to figure out your size. And yeah, she has all different types of designs. Yeah. She has like ones that zip, ones that spikes. Those are like her popular ones. This is like a denim one with a light pink stitch, and I like the denim look because it goes with a lot of my outfits. And then Erica has, it's like a pinstripe. Yeah, Erica has a pinstripe one. So these are really good, and they cover like your whole face. So go check out her Etsy shop down below if you guys are looking for any masks or anything. Oh, this is, woo! It was really nice. These kids paid for us. Yeah, they didn't have ID, so they went in under us. They're like, we'll pay if you guys use your ID to get us in. And also, it's still 90 degrees. I thought the sun was gonna go down, but in sweats. Right, we're in our sweats. Well, you're in your pants. What time did we start this? Because we got an hour. Mom, like the boy said, I'm not doing this for an hour. This life vest is making me even more hot, but I can see. I think we can chill for a bit and let it. Yeah, just let it coast. Can we rest? Yeah. Well, this boat's coming towards us. Oh wait, where? Alright, so we just gotta line it up and just go straight into the dock? Or like 5 boats come at one time. Like how is this guy gonna wrangle them all up? That's not gonna be that hard. Just go straight in this thing. We did it! Sideways. Oh. Alright. Hey guys, what is up? So we wanted to take this time really quick to just kind of show you guys like our living room area. We've really done a lot to it since the last time you've seen it. So we just want to show you guys some pieces that we got to give you guys any idea. It looks completely different. It looks really good. Our whole entire, our goal with this living room was to make it rustic and farmhouse. Yeah, we got a lot of farmhouse wood. Yeah. Wood accents and stuff. Right, very distressed looking and stuff. So I am so proud of this living room. That's why I was like, we have to put this in a vlog because like it's really like what I wanted, and plus our roommate has the same idea when it comes to decor, so we were like, this is perfect because we put all our ideas together and this living room came about. So let's take a look really quick. All right, so right here is a little console that holds our turntable. Juan got this turntable, he's been dying to get one and he finally has one. The record in there right now is Genesis. We got some speakers and he has the police. It's gonna be like a music corner. So we're gonna put like our music people up here and stuff. So make it like a gallery wall up here. Yeah, and then here's the records over here. Yes, my favorite one, you guys. So he's got a lot of Genesis and the Police. He has so many of their albums. My favorite one he has is this one. My favorite song up here is Fantasy. But they're all pretty good. Move over to your left or right. This is our night table. Ebony got this from, well, we both got this from Home Goods. Home Goods is a store. Yeah. So go there. And then this is one got this essential oil diffuser, which smells amazing. There's lavender in it right now. And then this plant that's fake, because we can't keep anything alive, is this from Home Goods? Yeah, that's from Home Goods. Home Goods. And then this is a lamp from Goodwill that Juan got. Goodwill. And yeah. And you already know about our couch here, but Juan added some accent pillows here. And the pillows are from Bed Bath & Beyond, these floral ones, just to give it like a summery look and feel. And then up here we've added, this is my favorite part, this is my like touch over here. So I got these two window panes from Amazon. There are little lights around them, but we don't really use those anymore. We might take them all because they look a little tacky. Yeah. And then this, I've always wanted a big clock to go between here, and I found this at Ross. So I feel like it ties everything in on this wall right here. And then my favorite part is this coffee table. This coffee table ties the whole room in together because we kind of based everything off this coffee table. It was like the first centerpiece that we got for our living room. And I got this from the Facebook Marketplace. I don't know. Facebook Marketplace has a lot of stuff up there. It's pretty cool. This is our new TV. It is a 58-inch Samsung. It's from Best Buy. Best Buy has good deals on TVs, whether it's a holiday or not. Okay, so then we have this TV stand. It's from Walmart, and it was cheap too. Yeah, I just love the wood on here, and it matches the coffee table perfectly. So we keep all our camera stuff in there. So this is our VR headset. It's from Target and it's the PS4 one. Our roommate happened to have a PS4, so we just got the VR headset to go with it. The bundle I got, I ended up picking this bundle, and it was the one that came with the little joysticks here, so you can play Beat Saber. But they have other bundles that are cheap that don't come with these sticks right here. You can just play with the PS4 hand, this thing right here, console. Yeah, the console. Yeah, if you don't want the sticks, you can just play with the console, but some games require these sticks, so I suggest getting the package that comes with the joysticks. But the one that's really crazy that we've played, well actually our roommates played, I can't get with it, but it's Resident Evil. It's super scary, and when you put a headset on for virtual reality, it's like you're in the game itself and everything popping out at you. I don't do that. Okay guys, and then another favorite of ours is this popcorn machine. Our roommate got this, and he got it from, I forgot where he got it from. Maybe it was Amazon. Oh yeah, I think he got it from Amazon or something. I have to ask him. I'll have a link below if I can find it. It just looked very retro. I kind of like it. And we popped some popcorn the other night and it's so good. We also got new curtains here. I don't know if we should get like another curtain. We just have one here and then we just close. I feel like two will look better here. Wait, or should we do this, get like a ring? A curtain ring and do this? Nah, I feel like two, because we like light, so that's gonna be in the way. Yeah. Those are from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. This is really cool. I don't know what this thing is called. Our roommate got it, but it matches the living room. It matches like our whole theme of what we're going with. So, and there's a mirror, so that's a plus. So we decided to hang it on the wall just to give the room some texture, just something different. So we got this. There's still more to do, but I think overall it's pretty complete. I really like it.